to deportation of their parents, many Uyghur children are forced to visit Chinese schools that are fenced off by barbed wire. In there, they are prohibited from speaking their mother tongue. The online magazine on human rights and religious freedom, Bitter Winter, previously reported on the state compulsory assimilation that affects the orphans, especially on an ideological, linguistic and cultural level. Even in the everyday life of the school, the children are taught only the Chinese state doctrine, while the Uyghur roots are forcibly forgotten. Numerous spring festivals are currently being celebrated in different parts of the world. In Munich and Istanbul, one festival each brought people closer to Uyghur civilization and culture. A conference was also held in Istanbul where Abdusalam Teklimakan, president of the New Uyghur Generational Movement, delivered a current status report from East Turkestan to the attendees. On a visit to Italy together with a high delegation, Chinese President Xi Jinping signed numerous contracts, mostly of an economic kind. The Italian government thus ignored the warning of the US and the EU against contractual cooperation with China and, among other things, also signed an agreement on the cooperation of the Silk Road project. A protest march in Brussels, organized by various NGOs, campaigned against racism and exclusion. The demonstration counted thousands of participants and was supported by numerous parties and associations. In various speeches, the participants criticized discriminatory acts against foreigners. A storm in southeastern Mozambique has claimed more than 700 losses so far, and the number continues to rise. Because of the cyclone Idai, 417 people died in Mozambique, 259 in Zimbabwe, and 65 more in Malawi. The situation on the ground is still dependent on help. Rescue workers are constantly in action.